Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are doing really very good. So, in this video, we are going to learn about one different animation we can say. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So let's start our today's project. Okay. So first thing, as always, I will run this application. So like suppose you want to draw anything. So wherever you will take your mouse, that will draw the line in that particular direction and you will get a different color also. As you can see, suppose I want to draw here, I want to draw here. You need to take your mouse at that particular position, okay? So that will draw something. So this project today we are going to create. Okay. So let's start our project. So first thing we will see which background we want here and which sprite we want here. So first thing we want one background which is in plain. Okay. So this is our background. Here we have two circle we can say. This is not an exact circle but we can treat as a circle. Okay. So instead of this color, if you want to add any other color, even you can do that. Okay, so this is a mini project. So this is a mini project. It means you have to create this project. I'm going to explain you entire thing and you have to also try this project. Okay, after creating your backdrop, which sprite we want here? So we want the race sprite. So it means here we need to add some color. So what you can do, you can add a different color we can say. So suppose this is our costume number one. This is our first color. Then we have yellow color. Then we have sky blue color. Then we have again little bit yellow color. Then we have our purple color. So whatever color you want, you can add all that color. Okay. Suppose you want red color, black color, white color. So we can say according to your choice, you have to add a color. Okay. So this is our second part. See, initially you have to add one backdrop and once you will finish your backdrop and then you have to add your sprite. For that sprite, you have to add a costumes. Okay. So if you don't know how you can add your costume, so what you can do, this is very simple. You have to access our previous videos, means starting videos. If you will see from that part, you will get all the basic things like how you will add your backdrop, how you will create your backdrop, how you will do the design part, how you will add your sprite, means each and everything you will get that. Okay. After adding our sprite, we want one more sprite, which is the origin part, which is this black. Only that much. So as you can see, the design part is very simple. We need to add one backdrop and we have to add two sprite. So your origin sprite is very small. In race, you have to do little bit work. It means you need to just add your favorite colors. So this is my favorite color, but if you have your own favorite color, like you want red, you want black, you want any color, pink, purple, or any color, so according to your choice, you can add the color. Now let's see what instruction we will give here, what command we will give. So for origin, we don't have any command because we don't want to do anything here for the origin. The main thing we have to do for the re, okay? Only we have to do this one, this two coding part, okay? So now let's see. If you will check in your project, we have only all these blocks like motion, looks, sound, event. We don't have this pin block. So how you will add your pin block? This also you will get in our previous video, but I will show you. You need to just click on this, add extension, whatever block you want. Suppose you want to add a music, you want to add pen, video sensing, text to speech. So we have all these extensions. Okay, so if you want, you have to manually add this. So we need to just click on the pen. You will get all the blocks which is related to your pen. Okay, next part, what we want. So always we have to start from flag when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, we want to draw the line. What we want here? Forever. It means we want to draw the line again and again in the continue manner. Okay, so for that, what you have to do? You have to take the forever. Okay, after that, we have to initially go to the origin, means this one. Okay, so for that, you have to just take go to, and you have to go to your origin position, not a random. We want to go to this origin position. Okay, after that, as you can see, for the ray we have a different costume, we have different colors. So we want to switch a costume, means if you want to change a particular color, so we need to just do only one thing, take a random one. This is not a fix, like here you will get your red, here you will get your purple. No, this is the random what computer will decide. Okay, and then we need to just create a clone. It means we want to create a duplicate. Okay, after that, what it will follow? It will follow your mouse. Wherever is your mouse, it will draw the line in that position. See, suppose if you will take your mouse here, you will get the line here. Yes, it is following your mouse pointer. Okay, see, and again we have to repeat this thing. Miss, we have to take a random this size. Okay, so we can take a size random, and we want to move to the 10 step. So this is our 10 step, if you will see, and then we have to take a stamp. Miss, we will draw the line. After that, so in the next time when I will click on the flag, we want to erase everything. So this is for like a erase all. Okay, so this is like a how you will draw any line which is following your mouse. Okay, so this is our Sun mini project. You have to complete this project. Okay. And what in the description box, I will give you this link. Definitely, I will provide you this link. And this is your task also. Like you have to do this project. You have to give me the link in the comment section. I will check that. Okay. And whatever review I want to give, I will give in the comment section itself. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, which is Code for Kids, and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Even you can share this project with your friend, with your family member, to anyone who want to learn the coding. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day.